able to program it. I don't know.
Filters. Options. Options. Chat options. Button. Switch camera. Button. Finish. Button. 0 watching now. 0 likes.
Okay. Today, I got something really cool. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it because I don't even know what camera I'm using. Just, I'm going to be looking at my chat using voiceover on iPad because, as you guys probably know, I am a blind person, that, you know, a blind YouTuber. There are a lot of blind YouTubers out in the community right now. I'm not the only one. There's a bunch of others. But that's not what this video's for. This live stream. Because this is my first ever live stream. Today, what I got here is a braille embosser. A portable braille embosser, as it says in the title of the video. This is a portable braille embosser that I'm borrowing. The way this works is it has a rotate dial. So, and it rotates like this. I'm not exactly going to be sure if you can see it. I don't even know if you are going to be able to see it. I tried to record a normal video, but I don't have any memory in my iPad. Because I have 100 something applications, 140 or so applications, and a whole bunch of photos that I'm trying to back up to my Google Photos. So, what this is a portable braille embosser. Right now, the wheel dial is on A. Actually, let me look. I'm not really sure where it's at. I think the wheel dial is on A, which means if I push this button on the back, I'm not sure on where it is, because I'm not really going to be looking at this, but basically, this is just a portable braille embosser. To load paper into this, you just lift the lid. I already have paper set up and paper loaded into this. It's the sticky cutout paper. This just takes, you could take it out. Well, if you have a brand new roll, you just have it, you take it out. And what you're going to do, I don't know how you're going to look at this, but the circle, the bottom edge of the circle is going to go, it looks like it's a circle, but it's, really I think it's a, I don't even know what shape it is. It's really weird. But you're going to put the circle end inside of this. You're just going to put that in. And there's a weird...
Lively. Now. Trivia time. You only have 30 minutes to play. Ellipsis. Come meet your team.
I don't even know. I don't even know what this is. Oh, sorry, I just got a notification. Sorry about that. I should have turned on Do Not Disturb on my iPad. But, okay. This. I'm not exactly sure what this is. It's a really weird accessory-looking thing that goes inside of your embosser. Turn speech off so it doesn't distract me. Okay, so this weird accessory is what you're going to take the paper. You're going to hide the paper under this weird accessory-looking thing. That's my dog barking over there in the background. Sorry about that. I am not getting quiet during this. Just ignore it. Okay. You cannot push this in. You're just going to have to put it right there. You're going to close the lid, and then we're just going to play with it a little bit. I'm just going to move the embosser a little bit to where it's a space. I'm going to press this button a few times until I can get this paper to go through it. There it is. Alright, so now that the paper's starting to come out, I'll kind of show you where it's at right now in a second. Right now I'm not on any letters or words, but I'll show you how this embosser even works. So let's jerk the paper back to where it was in its original state. There you go, and now we are ready to use it. So, space, A, B, C, D, E, F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. But after all of those, you have symbols. Some of these are actually words, so I'm going to rotate the dial. Okay, now I don't even know where we're at. I'm going to look at, see where the embosser is highlighted. M. It's highlighted M. Okay. V. Y, Z. Okay, after that, you get with, the, and, in, of, for, ER, ST, or the middle fraction slash if you're writing a fraction, ing or plus, ed, exclamation mark, en sign, dash, com, which is from the old code, now we're in UEB, point, period, apostrophe, number sign, and then back to space. So, I'm going to try to kind of write something on here. I'm going to write my name, just to kind of show you how this works. I'm removing the dial to a G. G. Actually, it's on H, not G. G, that's G. G. H. I. We're going to go backwards now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. A. Now, this is going to be a lot of rotating. Let's see. $13. So I'm going to move 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me go back to A because I'm lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm moving this 13 times. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Actually, I'm on number 14, so I just had to move that 13 times. N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we are. Here's my name. I'm probably gonna have to move it a little bit, just so you can see this. Okay, now my name should be able to speak clear. Here's my name. Gianni. That's how I spell my name. Okay. There's another cool thing. The V key now. That'll probably be it for this thing. This moves the paper back. Actually, the V is something else, so you don't have to use it. But now I'm going to practice writing numbers. This moves... So this actually is another of your alphabetical letters out of the 26 that exist in the English language. But it's not really something anybody would use. I'm not exactly sure what fancy words would use a V. Like, very, variable. That's another cool thing. I don't know where I'm going to put this, actually. I'm now going to write some numbers. So, when you write numbers, this is going to be really different. Pay attention here, because if you're getting an embosser or something like this, if you're planning on getting an embosser, something like this. Actually, oh god, what am I doing here? Okay, so this is different. So if you're getting numbers, if you're going to be writing numbers, this is really important. you're going to put a number sign or an end fraction slash. That's the end fraction slash symbol. And now we're going to type 1. We're going to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now, here's where I was going to throw you off. Do not use K through Z as numbers on some embosser like this, because it's really going to confuse you. You're really going to get confused out of this. Let me go back to space and see what's going on here. I don't even think it typed up all my numbers. Okay. Yes, it didn't even type up all the numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So I know where the 0 is. It doesn't really look like it's there, but it is. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's all I really have. Let me move the cursor back. I'm going to go back to 1, and I'm going to restart. Do the retype. I'm going to do a retype, because that didn't even work. 1 through 10. Okay. 1, 2. Oops, that's 4, not 3. 3. Now you have to push hard on this, because it's really, it can get difficult if it doesn't type up what you want it to type. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0 was there, but it's not really visible. 0. Now all the numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a 0. Actually, let me look, because I'm going to go to space. Okay, there we go. Now it looks better. Okay. I'll read the numbers out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't really look like it's there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So basically I did 1, 2, 3 twice. I don't even know why I did that. But that's what it's used for. A portable braille embosser. So, beyond that, I think this embosser is good for somebody who is taking their work on the go and is planning to work while on the trip. This embosser is good for you. For you blind people that are taking this on the go and are working on, like when you're on a plane, for example, and you're working on a homework something package or whatever, then this embosser is good for you. But you gotta make sure that you type up the correct things. You gotta make sure that you're typing correctly, because if you mess up, then I don't know where to get the paper from. But that's what this is all about, this braille embosser. It has a label on here that says braille. It doesn't say braille embosser, but it is an embosser that is really just for you to work and take it on the go. Because the Braille, Perkins Braille, or Romeo enabling technologies or embossers, those are not for you to take on the go. You'd have to have it in a big bag, and it's not good to carry it around like that. Those big embossers don't work like that. They're not to be used like that. So, that's what this is about. Thank you for watching this live stream, and we'll see you all later. And again, this is my first live stream. So, thank you for watching, and have a
14 minutes, 40 seconds.
good night.
Lip. 0 watching now. Finish. Button. Finish. Alert. Are you sure you want to stop streaming? Heading. Cancel. End.